teachers truly are heroes. And
Now, that was perfect.
okay, sorry, I get, okay.
No, that was
Do not put that in there, I get a little emotional. Jesus,
You got the right
God,
idea.
talking about teachers, because I am one and was one, so I gotta kind of take a breath here a little bit.
Somebody hired me and gave me a name and a salary and a position to do my job. Just trust me. Just like I'm supposed to trust you to do your job.
We find that teaching is an opportunity to have an impact on other people's lives.
The math teacher's not worried about the science teacher. The science teacher's not worried about the reading teacher. They're all not worried about each other because they trust each other. But we have admin versus teachers. And what we do, we even play a volleyball game, admin versus teachers. Cut that crap out.
What are restorative practices? What are relational practices? What is relationship-centered learning? It's all about making those connections with kids. You've got to connect before you content. If a student does not know that you care about them, they are not going to care about your content.
You see, trust is the currency in which all transactions on our campuses and in our districts take place, right?
Well, I've learned already today that this is not just a tool to be used in the schoolhouse. I recognize that we can sit down with our 5 children and have some of these things working in our own household.
When the kids come in, if they trust you, they'll work harder. When the adults show up, if they trust their leadership, they will do what's expected. Are you with me on that?
Admin should send their educators to this RCL workshop because they're going to get skills, tools that they could use immediately and that are tried and true. They're effective.
We already see it happening in our schools. We already see our kids when they come through the door, they're so excited. They feel like, you know, this is my safe place. And I know for me, school was always my safe place. School was always the place I wanted to be. And I just want kids to have that every single day, that they know that they are loved and they are valued, they are accepted, and they can be anything they want to be.